Why I don't use WordPress anymore. At first, everything seems simple. You install a plugin, then another one, and it works. But over time, things start to break, updates cause issues, and suddenly your site becomes slower and harder to manage. What started as a quick solution turns into a complete mess. So we built a smarter way to do it. Everything you need, in one system. No plugin overload, no conflicts, no slowdowns. Faster performance, better stability, and stronger security from the ground up. It just works, so you can stop fixing issues and start growing your business. Let me show you how this actually works. Clean landing page, fast and focused. Language switching, instant, built-in, no plugins needed. The blog is fully modular and easy to scale. And every article is structured, flexible, and lightning fast. No chaos, just a system that works. This isn't just a website, it's a system.